Electrophoresis of plasma proteins. Different fractions of plasma proteins are separated in clinical laboratory by serum protein electrophoresis. 5 fractions are usually separated by serum protein electrophoresis. Albumin having maximum negative charge and least molecular weight migrate maximum. The 5 fractions separated by electrophoresis are usually quantitated by scanning and measurement of their intensity. Normal pattern and interpretation. In agar gel electrophoresis, the normal serum protein is separated into 5 bands. Their relative concentrations are albumin 55 to 65%, alpha 1 globulin 2 to 4%, alpha 2 globulin 6 to 12%, beta globulin 8 to 12%, gamma globulin 12 to 22%. Albumin has the maximum and gamma globulin the minimum mobility in the electrical field. Gamma globulin contains the antibodies, that is immunoglobulins. Alpha 1 fraction is made up of alpha antitrypsin. Alpha 2 is made up of mainly alpha 2 macroglobulins. Beta fraction contains LDL as well as beta and gamma fractions are made up of immunoglobulins. Except gamma globulins, all the plasma proteins are synthesized in liver. Now, the abnormal patterns of clinical significance. First, in chronic infection, gamma globulin is increased, but increase is smooth and wide based. Though it increases, but the increase is smooth and wide based. Second, the multiple myeloma. In paraproteinemias, a sharp spike is noted and is termed M band. This is due to monoclonal origin of immunoglobulins in multiple myeloma. The third condition, fibrinogen. If we use plasma instead of serum, we get a prominent band in the gamma region due to this fibrinogen. Sometimes this may be confused with the M band. The next is primary immune deficiency. In this, gamma globulin proteins are reduced. The fifth is nephrotic syndrome. As in nephrotic syndromes, all proteins except very big molecules are lost through the urine, leading to alpha 2 fraction, that is containing macroglobulins, will be very prominent. The next condition is cirrhosis of liver. As you know, albumin is synthesized by liver. So its synthesis in cirrhosis is reduced. With a compensatory excess synthesis of globulins by RE system. So albumin band is thin in the electrophoretic pattern with wide beta fraction. Sometimes beta and gamma fractions are fused with each other. The next condition is chronic lymphatic leukemia. In this condition, gamma globulin fraction is reduced. The next condition is alpha 1 antitrypsin deficiency. In this condition, alpha band is thin or even may be missed. Thank you.